It's 5:36 in the morning. This is really how influencers be like. They're like saying, hey, I wake up at this time every single day. No, I didn't. I randomly woke up at 5:30. I got like 2 hours of rest that day. I mean, we got the rain white gummy bear right there. It's a raining day. Of course, we had some bomb tacos here from the taco truck, so we got some of those. Just a few, some light. Let's go and check out the shoes. Jordan 6 Rings UNC colorway. Now, obviously, it's not one of the most hyped shoe on social media or anything else like that, but I don't care about that. I like what I want. They're comfortable, they look good, and I love the colorway. Right here, we do have the Jordan 6 Rings UNC, like I mentioned. It's a Valor Blue Ice, and I will show you guys a fit that matches with this. I'm ordering a couple of crew necks, t-shirts, and stuff like that, and I'm gonna print some stuff out just to see whatever looks good. Here's the colorway. Now, if you didn't know, for the people that aren't educated on sneakers, this is basically a couple sneakers all mixed all into one. So you got the outer soles from the 13s. You obviously have the patent leather look from the 11s. The laces is right here from the 12s. Wing here from the 6s. Velcro strap. The tennis ball. This is like a baby blue. It has a little bit of a hint of a purple, kind of, I would say. It's not like a baby blue, but it's a nice colorway. Let's just get these out here. The retail price on this is $170. I was going to get something basic, but yeah, I was shopping around for a while. Number one, when it comes to the outer soles, obviously they do look a little bit too cheap. The quality on it isn't as perfect as you would think, but the patent leather is really good. The stitching on it for the patent leather is good. The uppers right here are also good. The comfort when it comes to the little boot here, the back piece, this is super comfortable. I love the design on that. The tongue is also comfortable. There's no sound when you are actually walking, unlike some other 13s that I tried in the previous video. The shoelaces are nice, and you can style these obviously however you want. If you want them to be hanging over, you have that option with the 12s lace right there. And yeah, so you got those icy blue bottoms right here. I love this colorway. You got that snake eye right there from the 13s. I wish it wasn't with any holes, but it has to be a little bit unique. Let's go and show you on feet. But first, check out the fit. This is the 6 rings in the UNC colorway, and then a baby blue t-shirt. Now, I do have another t-shirt, which is an actual closer color to the UNC. However, I like the long sleeve, so we're gonna use the long sleeve. But we're gonna give me some ideas in the comments down below on what I should print on one of these t-shirts. I do have 3 of them, so 3 good ideas. Whatever we can get, we'll roll out. But this is what the fit's looking like. I love it. The UNC, the baby blue is my color this year for sure. New Apple products that we got. We have the... Oh, I just left y'all on a cliffhanger. All right. So if you guys want to check out that video, stay tuned for more. Subscribe. We do a lot of sneaker videos, barber videos, technology videos. So drop a like on the video. And we're also going to be doing a giveaway very, very soon. So stay tuned. Don't worry. I got you guys. Thank you all for 11K subscribers. Have a great rest of your day. We out.